They're fireworks, Matthew.
They're just. They're fireworks before they shout. Mine with a firework picture.
Yeah, he would not be happy. It's the main reason I didn't bring him. Maybe. Maybe next year.
Can we go and just fireworks is spelling it?
Yeah.
So it looks like right on top of us and they're about to blow up on top. Those spots look like they come over to us. So they can't make it turn into thin air? So they can turn into thin air?
There's sometimes little bits of haze falling. That's it. Okay.
Yeah, it's like what's coming in fibers sometimes with
So it's like with those little plastic bits which you have to wait. They set them off.
That sounded like a minigun.
Someone's shooting that minigun. Okay, someone's shooting that minigun. Someone's shooting that minigun on the bike.
Have to buy this much fireworks.
I'm guessing that's about 3 years worth of fireworks.
This is all the fireworks.
Is this all the fireworks? Everyone
Yes. Even that building was all those times.
Yeah, that's a big dangle ones.
That's what Okay, fireworks are just cutting out loud noises. Fireworks are cutting out loud noises.
Oh, no.
Nicholas would sit.
No, but Nicholas about to himself.
That puppy can just hit someone.
Fireworks at the same time.
I hope there's no birds in the sky.
If there was, that takes dead right now. That's cool. No!
That one made you jump, Matthew.
I got no wonder.
No, 'cause I
Yeah.
that'll gonna die.
No, that's a big one.
Boom!
Now there's one big one.
Exactly, I can see one on dead. No. That's about
Oh
dead.
no. Sorry, says about that hit.
I hope that was you falling on one by accident because
Dude, someone setting those fireworks off of a minute. Someone's setting those off of a
I've
minute.
never seen this much fireworks out of bonfires.
Dude, it's usually 5 or 10 fireworks. It's usually 5 or 10 fireworks. It's been about 200 fireworks already. I just want to go home.
They're about 500 feet in the sky.
But they're like 3 feet in the sky. That looks 5 feet Look, it's right in the middle of that one.
James, it's nothing to be afraid of. But the worst thing is people's asses coming off the sky. That's the worst that can hit.
No, he knows you. Matthew's just being silly.
But that just tried to put me off the mug. Look. Is that one?
No, James, we're just trying to enjoy the fireworks.
They did probably don't be standing fireworks off for 3 years. It's probably all.
That's a lot of fireworks.
They're all even ready to put in someone's dog at minigun with bam bam bam.
And people are just running.
It's like someone shooting them with miniguns.
I cannot see where they're getting shot from. I think we're running out of gas.
I hope Nick Frost is not looking out his window.
Because we wouldn't be able to see this one. You can probably hear it. What was that? I missed it.
That's a really big firework.
Dad, did you see that spiral
Yeah,
firework?
that was a pretty one.
Oh, that's
It'd be cool if the fireworks, like, they're lighting up like that. But then they make a noise if they can fire one.
fuck you, fireworks.
Language.
I think I just pissed off the fireworks. I just pissed off the fireworks. Say hi, Daddy. I think I just pissed off those fireworks.
Hi, language, please.
We're running fast. The whole cousin was just turning in the clouds, aren't they, Dad?
I thought they were about to be done.
If Mum is here, I would be happy. Why
It's
is
about to that way.
Mummy not here?
Because Damon and the Klaus are in bed.
And I think Damon would die from
Damon is more sensitive to loud noises than anybody.
No, that's Niklaus actually.
So Damon,
There's something about to that next.
are you making this into a video?
Mhm.
How long has the video been filmed?
8 minutes 30 so far.
There's like 3.
No,
All of them.
no. There's one last road. Is that the 3 years done? Is that the 3 years of fireworks done? Nope.
The money that they've had to spend.
Did you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, someone just actually almost basically.
Right now, looks like he's not going to go off in there. So fireworks just look like, oh, I'm not doing go off and then someone shoots them and they go off. Look, look, it's here and then it goes off.
What would happen if the firework hit a plane? What would happen if the firework hit a plane?
Yeah, something like that. So it's very flat with fires like what? When was the small with fires like? Then I'll go back to
I don't think it would do much damage to the plane, but it might damage the pilot.
Okay, that is really good. Look up. I know, those gold ones are my favorites. Oh no, oh, okay, that's the highest one. Okay, that's the highest one at the finish line right
Yeah,
there.
that's definitely a high one.
That's the highest one. See, you can still see the little one. Okay, that's the most biggest. It sounds like someone's just playing a video on their phone to make it sound like fireworks.
but that's not.
I think they might be running out. I don't think they're done yet. Give it a minute.
Everybody's leaving now, so they're done. Wait, there might be enough.